For most people, buying jewelry is a relatively uncommon event. Rings, earrings, necklaces, and bracelets are most often purchased as gifts for others, or for yourself on special occasions. Given the infrequency of jewelry shopping and the important meaning behind each piece, it's crucial to buy your jewelry from people you trust, and from a store that has a reputation for high quality. When people think about buying jewelry, they might imagine a busy mall, full of rushed people, crowded stores, and salespersons looking to close a deal and move on to the next customer. But that does not have to be your buying experience. You can experience a difference. The jewelry design's difference. It starts with a detour. You're not going to a mall, you're not even going to a block of stores that share the same parking lot.
Instead, you're simply headed down Mill Plain Road in Danbury, Connecticut, off exit 2 of I-84. You'll soon see a very standout building, outfitted with a well-maintained garden that includes a koi pond, recently installed solar panels, and a comfortable standalone parking lot that, unlike other stores, features plenty of space for you even on the busiest of days.
Welcome to Jewelry Designs, where the quality of our work extends past the service and high standards of jewelry making. The only store you'll find that goes the extra mile to ensure the entirety of your visit is worth remembering. When you walk through the front doors of the store, you might be expecting to walk into a room full of display cases. And you will, in a moment. First, allow us to pull back the curtain and show you where the true magic of jewelry designs takes place. We pride ourselves in being able to create virtually anything you can imagine, from the smallest changes in details to entirely new customizations that spring from your imagination. And it's important to us that you see what that process is like. This is why the first of the jewelry design's differences is being able to see our master craftsmen at work, building, repairing, cleaning, and setting various works of art. This in-house process is something you will never see at the mall or any chain jewelry store. Just past the workshop is our casting room, or what many people consider the most exciting part of the creation process. You can watch as flames jump from torches, the pouring of molten metal, and seeing the roughed cast of what is soon to become something truly magnificent. A little further up the entrance ramp, you'll come to one of the first parts of the design. Our expert 3D designers can be found hard at work building renderings of pieces that will be printed and sent along to the casting room for construction. Once you've traveled through the behind-the-scenes process, it's time to get to the main event. This is when we like to welcome you to our showroom, a bright and spacious section of the store where you will view our vast selection of designer jewelry, the largest in the area. Instead of being pushed through from display to display, you're free to explore at your leisure. Our friendly salespeople will be ready to help you with whatever you need, but will never rush you while you take in some of the most excellent pieces we have to offer. In the meantime, we offer complimentary cleaning to show you how quickly and easily we can bring out the best in your jewelry. When you're ready to design your own piece or make a purchase, you'll see the true difference between jewelry designs and all other stores. Where most other places want to sell you a piece and move you along out the doors, you'll find that we strive to go above and beyond the point of sale. If you want to learn about diamonds, gemstones, precious metals, how to care for your jewelry, or anything else, we're happy to take the time to work with you. We believe that each piece is part of a larger story, and we're proud to play a part in writing that story with you, because we understand the importance in picking the perfect piece or getting every detail of your customized creation just right. If you're unavailable to come in person, you can still experience the difference with an online or over-the-phone appointment with any of our excellent artisans. By now, it should be clear. Our goal is ensuring that you get the best possible experience during your visit to our store. There's a reason that we've been one of the most trusted since 1980, because we understand what it means to create something that is truly and uniquely yours. So whether you're just getting started on your journey or ready to put the final touches on your personal project, make sure you're working with the best in the business. You can experience the jewelry design's difference and create a work of art that will last you a lifetime.